Given that x is a normal distribution with mean 12 and variance 16, we want to find the probability of x being between 13 and 15. Remember, we only have tables for the standard normal, a normal with mean 0 and variance 1. But we can transform from x to z by doing x take away the mean divided by the standard deviation. So we want the probability of x being between 13 and 15. And we want to transform that, so we do 13 take away 12 divided by 4. This will now be z. Remember, z is x take away 12 divided by 4. And that will be less than 15 take away 12 divided by 4. So we get the probability that z is between 0.25 and 0.75. If we draw a sketch of this, here's our standard normal curve. 0.75 is here, 0.25 is here, and we want this area. This area is phi of 0.75. Remember, phi of 0.75 is the area from 0.75 all the way back to minus infinity. Take away phi of 0.25, which is the area from 0.25 all the way back to minus infinity. So using our tables, we can find the probability that x is between 13 and 15, which is phi of 0.75, 0.7734, take away phi of 0.25, 0.5987, and calculating this gives us 0.1747.